Hey everybody, so we are looking at a does not equal 1 factoring. So we did a equals 1 factoring with 3 terms. This is now for a does not equal 1. This is actually the best kind because it works always, even if a is 1. But the a equals 1 shortcut is actually just a shortcut of this method. So what I want to look at is this problem. I have the steps to my left, and we are going to factor this problem, this expression. We change it into 2 binomials multiplied. Okay, so first thing we need to identify A, B, and C. We have A, B, C. So A times C, that's blue times red, 5 times 8, that's 40. B is 14. I have to identify A times C and B. That's the first step. So if we do that, life's pretty good so far. Not that bad. All right, let's see if the second one's that bad. I call it the hardest step, but you know, I'm dramatic sometimes. So we figure out 2 numbers that multiply to 40, that multiply to AC, which is 40, and add to B, which is 14. That's where we have to do what multiplies to what adds to. So I always do what multiplies to. We can list the things off that multiply to 40. I mean 1 and 40, but that doesn't add to 14, so no. 2 and 20 also doesn't add to 14, no. 3 doesn't work. 4 and 10. Hey, that adds to 14. I found it. 4 and 10. Those are my 2 numbers. Okay, not bad. I would take a picture of this side with your phone so you get it. Third thing, split the middle term into those 2 numbers with a variable attached. So I'm going to split it into those 2 numbers with the variable attached. You can do it in either order. I'm just doing it this way for fun. And if you think about it, 10x plus 4x is 14x. Those are like terms. I could just combine them. So the whole point of finding the 2 numbers is to split it into the right ones. Now, the other numbers will stay the same. So I don't have to mess with the 5x squared or the 8. We're good there. Those just stay the same. Okay, done with step 3. Let's do step 4. We'll do step 4 with black. Split it in half and find the GCF of both halves. Okay. Split it in half, find the GCF of both halves. So the GCF of this side is 4. I do need to factor by GCF, so I need to put my leftovers. 4x divided by 4 is just x. 8 divided by 4 is 2. The other side should end up with the same parentheses if we do it right, so let's see. 5 looks like it comes out of both, and they both have an x, so that'll come out. 5x squared divided by 5x. Well, 5's go, one of the x's goes, we're left with just 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. The x's cancel. Hey, they are the same. So that means we did it right. So now the last step is there's actually 2 terms here. They should have a plus sign in between. Now, or a minus if that was negative, but there's actually something in common with those 2 terms. It's the x plus 2. So I can actually take the x plus 2 out front, same way I took the 4 out front. So x plus 2 goes out front. So I'll show you where I'm underlining the 2 green, so that's where I see the x plus 2. Now, what's left over after I get rid of the x plus 2 is what's in pink there. 5x plus 4. Because anytime you take a GCF, you have to take it out, put it up front, and then put your leftovers. So this is our final factor form. There's a couple of tricks that you have to watch out for. If the front number is negative, so like if that was a negative 4, I would have to divide negative 4 from both terms, not just positive 4. That throws people for a loop. Other than that, I think you're going to be pretty good. So hopefully this helps some folks. I'll talk to you guys soon. You're awesome.